Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to make another scrap metal tool. We've got our little bit of scrap metal pile here, and I'm going to make a louver die, just a louver punch to use a hammer with. I've got quite a lot of louvers to do in the burnout car and in the 47 Buick on the bonnet, so see if I can make my own design. I'm going to do it a little bit different to what you usually see and see how it turns out. So what I've done is I've just I've scored that line with the scribe where I actually want it to be, so that'll give us my exact line. I stopped cutting it just before the line so I can actually file down to it, and should get it pretty exacto, hopefully. Oh, spot on. Spot on. There we go. It's the lower section of what we're going to do. I just have to close it off now and close that off with a bit of flat, and that'll be ready to go. Alright, so I've done that, and that is going to be our punch. If you look really carefully, I've left a peak right there. I've left a peak right in the centre. It still needs a little bit more here, I think. I'll do a little bit more on there. But yeah, so I've left a little tiny peak in the centre just so it just gives us a little bit different look to normal. I'll just fix up this little bit and then we'll put the handle on and give it a shot.
Thunder rumbles distant, dark clouds loom. Steel clashes, twilight echoes boom. Sons of war bear hopes flag high. March through fire, never shy. Battle drums pound in our hearts. Charge into fray, leave fear apart. stars rise, claim our field. Wind blows, fierce through silent night. Grip weapons tight, face comments wide. Our destinies stand as one, in endless battle shine like sun. Warriors of the sacred land, fight last breath across the sand. Battle rages will never yield.
So that's what we ended up with. The camera stopped working just before I did this stuff. So, but anyway, it worked, and they look pretty good. There's a little bit of a flat spot. I'll just make it a tiny bit rounder on the edge there, but I reckon that's very cool. And yeah. So if you like the video, subscribe, comment. That's been a couple of hours of my time. It's hard work, but it's fun to try and make things, and if they work out, which this one's not too bad, yeah, I'll use that instead of buying something. Let me know what you think. Happy New Year's. Have a good night. Goodbye.